Hello, immigration attorney Michael Ibrahim here. Today, we are going to discuss one of my favorite topics in all of immigration law. Every once in a while, somebody comes to my office and says, I want to fix my immigration status. Little do they know that they've been a US citizen all along. We're going to talk about situations where somebody is a US citizen by operation of law, or automatically. Of course, we all know somebody who is a permanent resident can apply for naturalization to become a citizen later in life. But immigration and nationality law has some very interesting things to say about when somebody automatically becomes, derives, or acquires citizenship. In certain instances, there are no formal forms or fees to pay. In other words, if you're a citizen, you're a citizen. We're going to discuss some examples of this. The first general area is what's known as acquisition of citizenship. Generally speaking, a child born abroad to at least one US citizen parent may acquire citizenship at birth. The facts at hand control whether the child is a citizen at birth. One big question in these cases is whether one or both of the parents are citizens. Another big question is whether the parents were married at the time of the child's birth. You always want to consult the US Embassy or consulate, or refer to an immigration attorney for advice in these situations. More often than not, if the child is in fact a US citizen by birth, they will receive a CERBA, or a consular record of birth abroad, from the US Embassy or consulate. These children may also qualify for a US passport. The second general topic today is derivation of US citizenship. Certain children in the United States may derive US citizenship by way of one of their parents naturalizing. These individuals may apply for a US passport if they qualify. These children may also apply for a certificate of citizenship by filing Form N-600 with USCIS. Again, the facts are facts, and the facts control whether or not the child automatically becomes a citizen. The laws on derivation have changed quite often over the years. The law that applies to the individual depends on that individual's date of birth. In some circumstances, it is important to note which parent is the US citizen, mother or father. Furthermore, where the child lives is also important if they only live with one parent. Again, these cases can be tricky, so it is important to consult an immigration attorney if you have any doubts. Do you or a loved one think that you're a US citizen by law? Do you or a loved one believe that you automatically became a US citizen? Don't hesitate to contact us, Ibrahim Law Office, for a consultation today.